What is up, guys? Black Friday shopping. Went ahead and picked up the 11-inch Klock Werks Sport Flare. For the past 2 years, a year and a half, 2 years, I have been running the 9-inch Sport Flare. So, for reference, I'm 5'8". This hit me just right about in the middle of the hat. So right in the middle of the forehead. Just made it a little bit frustrating when I was having a hat, not looking backwards, sunglasses, that kind of stuff at certain speeds, kind of having to look down versus be able to keep your head up and alert. So, again, 11-inch Sport Flare, dark tint. Let's compare the two. So, quick little side shot, the 9-inch versus the 11. Going to be quite a little difference. It's like it comes back the same amount, just sits a little bit taller. Get a view from the back. See the difference. Let's go get them swapped out. Then we'll put the 9-inch over the 11-inch, so you can see the difference from there. All right, now we do not need to remove these screws. All we need to do is simply loosen them a little bit, and the windshield will have enough room to just pop out. All right, now while this is off, if you're real dirty behind here, it's a good time. Just a reminder, wipe it down. All we gotta do is simply drop in. All right, now make sure the water's pouring outside. And you want to start 2 to 1 minutes. There's a good picture of the difference again. Just gets a little bit taller, gets that air going up and over your head. Now for this side post, I do have the Rick Rack GoPro mount that goes on there. So that will go in there like that, just fully adjustable for GoPro or 360 cam, anything like that, as well as the GoPro mount on the dash that faces back. All right, just from sitting in it, big difference that couple inches makes. I mean, this is just under eye level as far as if you're looking out on the highway, in town and stuff. It's going to be real easy. Now, the Klock Werks, I've had good luck, good polycarbonate, being able to see through it, even though it is the dark smoke, tinted, that kind of stuff. You're good. Yeah, still be able to see clearly through it. Right here, the bend obviously just slightly distorted where it starts to flip up. Other than that, would like to go ahead and do a ride, but I'm in Colorado right now. It is snowing, and I think it's like 22 degrees. Snowing. I ain't gonna ride. So we'll get a ride, demo of it, just a little feedback on it. If you have any questions, let me know. Got a couple other things coming for the bike, hopefully before spring comes back up. Look forward to shoot some more content on it.